Here's how to sell clothes on Roblox. First of all, launch any web browser and go to roblox.com and log into your account. Then select Create at the top of the screen. You'll be taken to create.roblox.com. Then tap on Creations from the left-hand side of the screen, that is just below the Home option. Now on the right, select Avatar items, that is between Share links and Development items. Now click on Classics, which is between accessories and animations. So if you haven't already, you can upload your clothing or design, which are your assets, and you can choose to upload t-shirts, shirts, or pants. To upload, click on Upload Asset option, which is highlighted in white color. And here you can upload the image, name it, and also enter the description. Then tap on Upload, which is highlighted in white color. Now, once you've created the t-shirt, go ahead and tap on that item. Then go ahead and turn on the toggle of on sale option and set a price for it. And then tap on Publish item, which is highlighted in blue color. You'll see your 70% earnings and the 10 Robux, which is the publishing fee. Then click on Publish item and pay the fee, and your item will be now on sale. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.